Today I will show how to create a logo using grid, and I will make the letter logo A to Z. So if you want to create a letter logo for your letter, please comment the letter name and I will make it tomorrow. Now start. First get line segment tool and pressing Alt and Shift make a line. And now add the stroke. Now pressing Alt make a copy. Now press the Ctrl and D to copy. Now select all and go to object and group. Now select, right click, transform and rotate and copy. Now get ellipse tool and pressing Alt and Shift make a ellipse. Now get the copy and paste in font and pressing Alt and Shift resize it. Select all and go to object and group. Now right click and transform and rotate. And OK. Now select and get shape build tool and change the color. Now draw like this. Be careful when you draw this. After draw, ungroup it. Now select these two parts and get outside. Now delete this part. Now increase the stroke. And go to object and expand. Now get pathfinder tool and unit. Now change the color. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. See you next video.